welcome back. Today's video is a whole day clean with me. I'm sharing with you the order and the things that I like to tackle to clean up a messy house in a day. Anjali's here with me, and so hopefully we can get some glimpses of her helping me in the task for today. I hope you all enjoy watching the video, and yeah, let's get started. So the first tip is to start with laundry, and I always like to start with it. I have a lot of dirty clothes to put away, and I also have to wash the bed sheets because it has been about 2 weeks that I've done that. And so before putting away any clothes into the washing machine, I like to add these Downy stoppables. It is like a scent booster, and I like the freshness that it gives to the clothes. So after that, I will go ahead with Adi's bedroom. So I have Anjali's crib sheets and Adi's bed sheets, and then I will go ahead with our bedroom. So yeah, here she is helping me with that. Heavy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Heavy pancake.
Whoa, good job! Put it inside, put it inside. ഏട്ടൻ്റെ ബെഡ്ഷീറ്റ് എടുക്കാം. Thank you.
Welcome.
The second tip is to clean the refrigerator, and cleaning the fridge is one thing that I do so often but still feel that it becomes messy very soon. So it is an ongoing process of cleaning and again turning messy, and so I'm going to take all the things out and then we'll give it a good wipe and put all the necessary things back again inside. Bottom.
Yeah. You know one boy yogurt in a other every boy.
യോഗട്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? അവിടെ പോയി
Mata
മോൺസ്റ്റർ എടുത്തോ?
yeah. Mata me very boy yogurt welcome.
ആണോ?
Yeah.
ഓക്കെ.
Very boy yogurt. That's me I thank too.
Mama likes pink too.
Yeah. Thank
എടുക്കോ?
Here. Egg samba.
അത് ഹമ്മസ്. ഹമ്മസ്.
Hummus. It was cake.
ആണോ?
Yeah. Dada, sweet or no?
സ്വീറ്റ് അല്ല.
Why?
Sweet alla hummus.
Why?
Because sugar illa inathu.
Spicy in there?
Spicy alla.
In the video. Paisana. Me tasty there.
Huh?
Paisana.
Enda tasty unde?
That how much?
Hummus.
Paisana.
Spicy alla Anjali.
In the tasty.
Taste
Yeah.
Taste yummy.
Yummy? Yeah.
Clean ആയ ഫ്രിഡ്ജ് നോക്ക് നമ്മുടെ.
Look, it's a cold in there.
കോൾഡാ?
Yeah.
ക്ലീൻ ആണോ?
Clean up is there, yeah. Yeah.
ഫ്രിഡ്ജ് ഇസ് ക്ലീൻ?
Yeah. It's a bit colder.
കോൾഡ് ആണോ?
Yeah.
ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ.
Movie.
ബ്ലൂബെറി.
Movie. Movie.
എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ?
Thank you.
യു വെൽക്കം. അമ്മ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യട്ടെ?
Yeah. Cheese cake. Mama, that's so funny. And cheese cake. Cheese cake.
Yeah, very funny. The third tip is to start dusting. So I'm going to go room wise, starting from the living room, and then we'll go finish the downstairs, and then we'll move upstairs. So I'm going to dust all the curtain rods and the blinds, and I like to use this duster for that. മുകളിലേക്ക് അവിടെ അവിടെ വരെ ചെയ്യേ. The fourth tip is to banish the clutter, and by clutter I just mean all the messy things that is lying around which is not supposed to be in one room. So similarly, like the dusting process, I start with one room, and then whatever I find in that room which doesn't belong there, I will usually put it all in a bag, especially all the toys that is downstairs which should be going upstairs. It is always a task to go up and down all the time, so I try to put everything in a bag and then take everything upstairs in one go. The fifth tip is to tackle the bathroom. So we have two bathrooms here, and I like to spray the sink and the tub with this, and then I'll just let it stay for some time, and then I'll use a brush and clean it off. Use the glass cleaner to spray the mirror and then wipe it off, and also give a wipe to the door knobs and handles, etc. I like to vacuum using this handheld vacuum cleaner here. And for the countertops in the bathroom, I like to use this method cleaner. And also for the tiles in the shower, I like to use the same bathroom cleaner. I really love the smell that it has, and it really feels very, very fresh inside. The next tip is to clean the kitchen. So the first thing that I do in here is to start the dishwasher. I have a lot of dishes in here, also a few bowls after cleaning the fridge today. So even though I'm not going to start the dishwasher, I'm just going to load it and keep. And after that, I'll go ahead and wipe off the kitchen countertops with my favorite method cleaner. And this smell that you get after wiping the countertops is so fresh and nice. When I pick up the kitchen tissue, she definitely has to have her own. A typical 2-year-old. Thank you! And then I will also clean up the stove right now. I use the same cleaner here. And also this is the time when I change the drip pans, clean them, and also change the aluminum foil that I usually keep on that.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it.
The next tip is to clean the furniture. And the furniture mainly includes those in the living room as well as the dining table and chairs. So for the leather sofa, I use a mixture of white vinegar and water to wipe off any spots or anything like that. And for the dining table, I use the same multi-purpose cleaner that I used in the kitchen. The next tip is to tackle the floors. So I use this mop in the kitchen as well as in the entryway where there is no carpet. And then I use the vacuum cleaner in all other areas. And yeah, she likes using the handheld vacuum cleaner. It's very light and she likes to use that. She mainly sees Adi doing it, and so she likes to use it. Okay, the next tip is to tackle all the dried clothes that were in the dryer. So first of all, I'm putting the bed sheets back on, and then I'll move on to folding the other clothes. This is not one of my favorite jobs to do, that is folding the laundry, but once it is done, it gives me some sort of energy and motivation to keep going. Last tip is to spray the room freshener in all the rooms. I like using this particular brand and I have got so many compliments from the guests. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.